Lawmakers at the lower chamber of the National Assembly has called on the Presidential Task Force Chairman, Boss Mustapha, and its committee to present themselves over strange deaths in Kano. This was sequel to a motion of urgent importance moved by the House Leader, Alhassan Ado Doguwa, seeking federal government quick intervention to the death spike in Kano. Mr. Doguwa took the motion on behalf of other members of the Kano State caucus on the mysterious deaths in the commercial city of Kano. He explained that considering the population of the state with the increasing deaths, there is a need for the federal government to support the state in the fight against COVID-19 as the cause of the deaths is yet unknown. The Rep members also resolved to investigate the cause of deaths. Also to appear before the House during the next plenary on Tuesday next week are the Minister of Health, Osagie Ehanire, and the Director General of the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, Chikwe Ihekweazu.